Well, this is lame. It snowed. Again. Well, better get used to it. Hey, hold on just a sec. Yeah! Well, that was awesome. And now I just got... Whoa! Look at that awesome distance from over here. It looks so beautiful. How come I never went up here before? Well... You know, I think I should get Tails and everyone else up here. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. But... Whoa! Ugh. Sure seems to be well out here. Oops. Man, it's so windy. Whoa, speaking of those birds I saw, they left behind some footprints. Very beautiful. Wind. I don't think I should have gotten up here because the wind is really strong. Yeah, coming up here was a bad idea. I gotta keep going. I should be faster. No. Oh no. I'm stuck up here. I gotta get back down. So cold. Hey, at least the sky's clearing up. I got down. I am never going up there on a snow day. Whew. There you go, everything's back in order. Oh, hey Sonic. Hey Tails. What happened to you? I don't want to talk about it. Okay, hey, the news is on, but there's no TV in here. Exactly, so my phone's right there. What? Breaking news! Scientists have confirmed that there will be a big snowstorm happening. It'll be the biggest snowstorm of history, bigger than the Ice Age. It will be so big no one will even survive. But as long as you stay indoors and don't go outside and keep your house warm, you're gonna be just fine. Trust me, everything will be okay. Maybe, we're not sure. And you probably can't see it, but there's a bunch of geese flying over there. There you go, you can see them now. And now, back to talking about why bread should be illegal with my son. Bobby, stop eating the plants! Now going back to talk about why bread should be illegal. Wait, what? There's gonna be a huge snowstorm? Bigger than the Ice Age, they said? Well, that probably explains the huge wind that was pushing me earlier. Oh no, this is bad. Tails, you gather everyone up in the house. I'll go grab some wood to keep the house warm. Okay. Alright guys, as you may know, there's a snowstorm happening outside, and so we need to prepare ourselves. Do we have wood? Yes, Cuphead? I chopped some wood up. Where is it? Behind you. Oh, good job, Cuphead. Oh, wait, I got a question. Where's Knuckles and Shadow? Okay, Knuckles is on Angel Island, and Shadow, he's at Gun, so, you know, they're gonna be safe. Okay. You know, in the future we don't have snow because...
We know! Everything in the future's on fire!
Okay, I already know that you guys know. I was just checking. Jeez. Okay, now all we need to do is just go around the house and make sure that we have food, water, and everything else. Okay, let's get to it. Alright, guys, we did it. We got ourselves prepared for this winter apocalypse, whatever. Gee, Cuphead, it's gonna be the first time for us to actually see snow. Well, weren't you and Tails outside in the snow that one time playing rock, paper, scissors? No. Alright, fair enough. Alright, I guess we got everything that we need. So, what else should we do? Play video games at the meantime? Oh, come on! The power went out! So, does that mean no video games? Sorry, Bendy, no video games. Well, hey, I'm fine, cause, you know. Yeah, Silver, there is no electricity in the future, cause everything's on fire, so no electronics, no electricity, no nothing for you. Yeah. So now what are we gonna do? So far, our only option is to just keep ourselves warm, and that's it. Come on, you're the older brother, you're supposed to have some amazing ideas. Well, I'm sorry, Mugman, I ain't the smart one, Tails is the smart one, so go talk to him. Fair enough. So, Tails, what do we do? Yeah, Tails, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna be fine? Are we gonna be okay? Oh my god, Tails, tell us. Everyone, calm down! Guys, listen. We're gonna be fine. As soon as this storm is over, everything will turn back on. Trust me. Yeah, Tails is right. We're sorry, Tails. It's cool. Look, what matters is that we got each other, we got food, we got water, we got wood to keep the house warm, we're okay. Tails is right. So, what do you guys want to do? Not much. Well, I guess I'll just go get blankets for us. Aw, man, guys, this blanket is so soft. I just want to... Yeah, tell me about it. This is awesome. Sonic, where did you get this blanket? Actually, I made it myself. Wait, really? Yeah, I took a couple of classes. So, Amy, what do you... Did she just seriously fall asleep? That's my girlfriend, everyone. Hey, this blanket is actually not that bad. Thanks, Sonic. Mugman, shut the frick up! I said frick. Don't worry. Well, let's hope this storm ends soon. Good night, everyone. Huh? The lights are on. The power's on! Guys, Tails, everyone wake up! Oh, what do you want? Yeah, I was trying to sleep. Wait a minute, the power's on. What? What the? Wait, is the storm finally over? Oh! I don't believe this! Not only that the storm has ended, but the snow! It's melting all over the yard! I can finally see the grass again! Guys! The storm is over! And not only that, but the snow is melting! What? I gotta go see this! Yeah. Here we go. Guys, Sonic's telling the truth! The snow is melting! Whoa! Everything looks so beautiful without the snow around. I love the snow, but it's gotta go sometimes. It just gotta go. Whoa, Sonic. The snow is finally melting. It's still kinda cold out here, but you know, it's gonna go away. Like, look at the icicle up there. Yes indeed. Yes indeed.
Let me show you just what I'm made of now. Take off at the speed of sound. Bright lights, colors all around.
What the frick happened to my island?